Hello everyone, welcome. Now we're moving on to the second topic, which will be circles touching other circles and arcs. The first one was circles touching lines and other circles, but this one we're looking at specifically just circles and arcs, not lines. Okay. Now I've prepared and drawn a circle, right, of length or radius, I should say, of radius 50 millimeters, and that's in your textbook on page 30. 50 millimeters, right? Now we're gonna draw now a tangent circle to this, and we're not told to draw at any position, so we can decide. So we're gonna say, well, hey, let me go to my circumference right here, and I'm gonna determine the other circle to be 60 millimeters, right? All right, so that's my bad. Let's start it again. So we're gonna go from the center to the exterior. There we go. Then now we're gonna give our circle 60 millimeters. It could have been 60 millimeters here, but we're just gonna make it parallel in this case, 60. Okay. Now, when we've created that distance or the center point, this is our center point. Similar to this was our center point for the circle. Now, when we do that, we're gonna create our circle right here. We're gonna say, well, hey, I want my circle to just touch you right there, 60. There we go. Now, given these two circles, right, your goal is now to tell me a tangent circle that can touch both of these, right? And let's figure out how to do that. So now, if we're looking for that tangent circle, the circle has a radius, right? So essentially, all we would need to do to get that center point for this circle up here, we would add that radius to each of these circles. Let me explain. So we're gonna create another circle to extend this radius distance to add in that radius distance. So let's look at that. So let's say create another circle, and our first circle had a radius of 50. Adding 15 to that will give us 65, right? And our second circle had a radius of 60. Adding 15 to that will give us 75. Let's say circle, right? And adding 15 to 60 will give us 75. There we go. Now this point of intersection now will give us, without a doubt, our tangent circle that touches both of these without intersecting. But let's clear up and highlight what we have so far. So we have our two circles. Let's put them on the main line, right? Remember, you're supposed to distinguish your main lines from your construction lines. Now, the second thing you need to do is to tell me that this point, when you put the radius of 15 now, will give me my circle that touches both of them. All right, so let's put that there. There we go. But remember, you will be using arcs, not circles, but this was an illustrative point to show you how the steps would have been. All right. Thank you guys for watching, and Mr. Thompson, you can take it away.